Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are looking at this Bosch GSB 550 drill. I bought this for a price of 2,900 on Amazon and they delivered it the very next day. So let's just go ahead and see what exactly we get inside this package. Now this drill is also called, this drill kit is actually called the Freedom Kit, and we get a GSB 550 drill, professional drill with this, which is 550 watts, and also we get a few more accessories inside. So let's just open and see. Now as you can see, the box is very durable and it's secured with two red latches. They are of very good quality and this will come for a very long time. Now inside the box we get some paperwork. Firstly, there is this warranty card. Now warranty card is not stamped by the seller, but you can use the bill and the date of purchase to get your warranty claim if there's something wrong with the drill. Then we have the service directory where all the service centers in India are listed along with the numbers. You can actually Google this and see the latest number in case there are any updates in this. Lastly, you have the instruction manual over here. The instruction manual has all the instructions related to the operation of this drill, so I recommend that you read this before you operate this in case you're a first timer, because safety comes first. And next, if you see inside, there's the drill itself. Now you get some few accessories with this. These are the wall plugs, different size wall plugs. Then we have the screwdriver bits. You get two screwdriver bits over here, which are Phillips head, and you do not get flat head with this. Then we have 40 pieces of different size screws. Then we have the masonry bits. The masonry bits are 4, 6, 8 and 10 mm. They are of very good quality. I've already used them. And then we have the wood bits. These are also of very good quality. It's not HSS, but it's very good quality. Then we have the ruler over here. The ruler is used to check the depth while you are drilling into a surface. So this actually fits onto the handle. Next, coming to the handle is made from very good plastic, and we have two knobs over here, one to tighten the handle onto the drill, and the second one is for the ruler, to tighten the ruler and set the height or depth, whatever you can call it. So let's just go ahead and see how this drill is now. So it is of a bluish greenish color, I can't really tell. So on top you can see there is a hammer and drill function which you can switch. Then you have the directional key over here at the bottom. Then you have this speed control switch. Is very smooth and very nice, and the drill is very good quality. The chuck also is a 13 mm chuck, so very good quality. And I'll just plug this and see how the sound is. So guys, as you can hear the sound, this drill is actually less noisier compared to most of its competitors out there, and you don't have that grinding sound coming from the drill. So this was a quick review of this Bosch GSB 550 drill. If you have any questions regarding this drill, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.